Hi, I'm Ed Jubal, President of Baptist Medical Center, Nassau. Baptist Nassau is honored to serve as the legacy sponsor of the 7th annual Barnabas Empty Bowl Luncheon in our community. As a legacy sponsor, Baptist is not only a financial supporter of this very special event, but our hospital and the Baptist Health System are primary supporters of Barnabas Health Services that provides access to affordable medical, dental, and mental health services to the uninsured adults in our county. We are partners with Barnabas in ensuring that everyone in our community, regardless of their financial means of health insurance coverage, has access to quality health care and the opportunity to live a healthy, productive life. I am very pleased to present this year's Empty Bowls Chairwoman, Liza Cotter.
Hi, I'm Liza Cotter, and I'm thrilled and honored to serve as this year's Empty Bowls Chair. Although we were all looking forward to gathering with our friends and neighbors at a very special luncheon hosted by our presenting sponsor, the Ritz-Carlton Amelia Island, this year's event required some innovative thinking and planning due to the coronavirus. With the hard work and ingenuity of many amazing staff and volunteer committee members, we are still able to bring an experience to our guests that helps raise awareness about hunger and food insecurity in our community, while enjoying the delicious soup prepared and served by the Ritz-Carlton's team, and the beautiful and unique hand-painted bowls created by local artists and residents. But most importantly, we have raised much-needed funds to support the amazing and important work of Barnabas in our community. This is an Empty Bowls event that we will long remember, a unique drive-through extravaganza that features local and really fun entertainment. We are so grateful to each and every person who contributed their time, talent, or treasure. We have an incredible volunteer leader who led the effort to secure the support of more than 120 event sponsors this year, Pam Fox. It's been fun to work with Pam and her committee, and she will share the good news about our sponsors.
Thanks, Liza. I'm so excited to share that we've raised over $155,000 from more than 120 sponsors in support of Empty Bowls this year thus far. At a time that we were concerned that the economic hardships resulting from the effects of the pandemic would limit the ability of individuals, organizations, and groups to participate financially, so many we asked stepped up in support of the mission and work of Barnabas, which is more critical than ever. They did so because they understand we're all in this together, and any donation, regardless of size, makes a difference. We're so grateful to our legacy and presenting sponsors, Baptist Hospital Nassau and the Ritz-Carlton Amelia Island. In addition, we thank our platinum, our gold, our silver, our bronze, and our copper sponsors. Join us in thanking all of our sponsors for their support and a remarkable year. And now, we invite you to enjoy a short video highlighting the ways your support has made possible the critical work of Barnabas during the pandemic. Thank you.
We're very glad that Barnabas is here. My mother's currently without work, and I'm working some extra hours, but even then having to cover for a whole other adult, it has become a rather tight situation.
It was very nice for they sharing Barnabas with us, and thank you for all the people.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, it very is.
So we're here to help people in a normal crisis, a personal crisis, natural disasters like a hurricane. But when the pandemic hit, we had never seen anything like this before. Within a matter of days, businesses were shuttering. Thousands of people in this county lost their jobs without any warning. The first thing we had to do, we kind of took our walls down so that we went out into the community. We converted our mobile health van into a mobile food pantry, and we took food out into the poorest areas of our county. The food supply became an incredibly significant challenge for us. So we developed partnerships with a farmers co-op in Hastings, and once a week we went to this farm co-op and picked up thousands of pounds of fresh produce. So we were doing mobile food distributions 4 or 5 times a week. We also changed the way we provided financial assistance. So we went from an average of 500 people a month to being served to 500 people a week.
We're grateful for our partnership with Barnabas. It enables us to distribute food to our community. There's a lot of low-income households that live here, and so it's definitely a need. And we don't actually have the capacity ourselves to do this type of ministry, so we were really excited to partner with Barnabas.
I thank them out of the bottom of my heart because the Barnabas is trying their best to help Nassau County.
Barnabas is great. I don't know where will I be without them because I ain't got no insurance, and they help me out a lot. Yeah, I don't know where will I be.
We're the only healthcare provider for people who have no health insurance in this county. So we created, in a very short period of time, a virtual way for us to treat our patients.
Telehealth has been really great for our patients because give us access to people that may not want to come into the office because of the COVID epidemic or cannot physically come into the office because of that.
To me, they are a godsend because I wouldn't be able to afford health care because I am on a fixed income. And when I was trying to have health care, it was more than my check. I couldn't afford that, so I had to let it go. So having Barnabas Center available to me is really an answered prayer. I really appreciate them. I consider them friends.
The other thing is we're the only dental care provider for people who have no health insurance. People still had urgent dental needs, like an abscessed tooth. So we have a volunteer dentist, Dr. Owens, who stayed and volunteered 1 or 2 days a week to see those urgent dental patients. If it wasn't for him, I don't know what we would have done for those patients who were in critical need.
My wife and I have lived here since 1971, so 49 years we've lived here. Barnabas has made a huge impact on the community. It's a very good bunch of people and doing some good work.
So we take stewardship very seriously. We want to make sure that every dollar that is entrusted to us is used for the purpose for which it is given, and that the majority of those dollars go directly to help people in our community.